Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down the best Google Pixel releases of the year, including the Pixel 9a, Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. We'll compare specs, performance, cameras, battery life, and unique features, so you can decide which one is perfect for you. And don't forget, check the description for the best deals and links for each model. Let's start with the Pixel 9a, the budget-friendly option that proves you don't need to spend a fortune for a solid Pixel experience. It features a 6.3-inch FHD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling and animations feel smooth and responsive. Under the hood, it's powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip, which handles everyday tasks, gaming, and AI features effortlessly. The camera setup is impressive for its price, with a 48-megapixel main sensor and 13-megapixel ultra-wide, delivering crisp, bright photos even in low light, thanks to Google's AI camera processing. Battery life is solid with a 5,100 mAh battery, supporting 23-watt fast charging and 7.5-watt wireless charging. Plus, it has IP68 water and dust resistance and 7 years of software updates. If you're looking for a capable, reliable Pixel without breaking the bank, the Pixel 9a is a no-brainer. Moving up, the Pixel 10 takes things a step further, with more power and better display tech. It comes with a 6.4-inch OLED display capable of 3,300 nits peak brightness, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Powered by the Tensor G5 chip, it's faster and more energy efficient than the 9a, offering better performance in gaming, multitasking, and AI-powered photography. The camera system is upgraded too, featuring a 48-megapixel main, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.8-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, making it great for detailed shots and versatile photography. The battery comfortably lasts over 30 hours and 45-watt fast charging gets you back up quickly. The Pixel 10 also runs Android 16 with 7 years of updates, ensuring it stays current for a long time. At $799, it's perfect for anyone wanting flagship-level features without going all out. The Pixel 10 Pro is designed for users who want premium features and performance. Its 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display offers adaptive refresh rates, conserving battery when you're not scrolling while providing smooth visuals when you are. The Tensor G5 processor ensures lightning-fast performance, while AI-powered camera enhancements make professional quality photos a breeze. This model shines with features like Magic Q and Camera Coach, which use AI to improve framing, lighting, and subject recognition in real time. The battery is optimized for all-day use with 45-watt fast charging, and the device supports Qi 2 wireless charging. If you want the best combination of power, AI features, and display quality in a traditional Pixel phone, the 10 Pro is a fantastic choice for 2025. For those who love innovation, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the highlight of 2025. It features a 6.4-inch external display and an 8-inch internal OLED display that's perfect for multitasking, media consumption, and productivity. Powered by the Tensor G5, it offers smooth performance across apps, even when using split-screen or large-format interfaces. Its camera system includes a 48-megapixel main sensor with AI-driven enhancements and 100x pro-level zoom, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. The 5,015 mAh battery with Qi 2 wireless charging keeps it going all day, and the IP68 rating is a first for foldables, ensuring water and dust resistance. If you want a phone that's futuristic, versatile, and packed with cutting-edge features, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the ultimate pick. Finally, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is still a solid option for those who want foldable tech at a slightly lower price. It has a 6.3-inch external display and a 7.6-inch internal OLED screen, offering a large workspace for apps, browsing, and media. The Tensor G4 processor is capable, though slightly behind the 10 Pro Fold, and the camera setup remains excellent with a 48-megapixel main sensor. The battery is 4,650 mAh, supporting 30-watt fast charging, and it offers IPX8 water resistance. While it lacks some of the refinements of the newer Fold, it's still a premium device for anyone looking to experience foldable tech with a slightly smaller investment. If you're interested in buying any of these devices, check out the links in the description below for the best deals and more details. You won't want to miss these offers.